Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ito po yung i-review natin ngayon. Itong 2026 Toyota Hilux G variant 2.4 liters automatic transmission. Alright? So, tingnan natin. Tara, let's go! Alright, so yung price po pala nito is 1,740,000 pesos SRP. Alright, so the black trapezoidal front grille with horizontal slats that give the pickup a strong and commanding presence. We also have here the angular halogen or LED projector headlamps, and then the integrated daytime running lights or the DRL, body colored front bumper with contrasting black lower trim to improve the vehicle's rugged look, the fog lamps housed within the sculpted side bezel to improve visibility during the rain or fog, and also the prominent hood lines that enhances the muscular appearance of the front end, and also the large lower air intake designed to improve engine cooling while adding to the aggressive styling. So overall, the Hilux G front fascia is less aggressive than the higher end sporty variants but maintain the tough and dependable appearance that the Hilux lineup is known for. Alright, so dito tayo sa side profile. Mapapansin natin guys, parang walang pinagbago since 2024 yung look and feel dito sa exterior ng Hilux. The same pa din yung fender na may silver accent or gray accent. And then dito sa gulong 26560 R18. And then for this body cladding, parang additional na accessory to na nilagay dito sa G variant. Yung Hilux badge. Then dito sa side mirror, naka-chrome accent. May turn signal light repeater. Pero wala tayong nakikita ditong 360 na camera for this G variant. With a combination of matte black finish na accent sa side mirror. So makikita natin guys, traditional pa din yung antenna. Hindi pa siya naka-shark fin. May added na accessory dito sa side na mga windows. May rain visor. Tapos dito sa door handle, naka-chrome. So wala tayong nakikita dito guys na blind spot monitoring system for this G variant. So chrome accent yung handle. Tapos may protection dito sa door handle. Para hindi magasgas every time mag-open ng doors. Then we also have here the gas tank protector with a chrome accent na may Hilux na badge or word, which gives more attention din dito sa side profile yung mga accessory kasama na yung body cladding. So dito tayo sa likod, yung stopping force, naka-drum type. So yung rim natin is two-tone. And then wala tayong nakikitang roof rail. So dito sa likod, of course, kasama na yung bid liner. And then naka-LED yung mga tail lights, including the third brake light, and then chrome yung accent ng door handle dito sa tailgate. And then embedded na din yung camera dito sa likod for this G variant. Vertically oriented tail lights that extend from the cargo bed down to the rear bumper, providing excellent visibility and a modern appearance. Embossed tailgate design featuring the Hilux branding and a centrally mounted manufacturer emblem. We also have here the body-colored rear bumper integrated with black step pads to make accessing the cargo bed easier. So, meron tayong nakikita dito mga sensors. And then, integrated yung rear step within the bumper for convenient loading and unloading of cargo. We also have the rear design of the Hilux G, emphasizes durability and functionality while maintaining a clean and modern appearance consistent with the vehicle's tough character. So, yung maganda dito guys, one hand lang yung pag-open ng tailgate because of this mechanism or the tailgate assist. For other specification guys, it has 4 cylinders, 16 valves, 6-speed automatic transmission, rear wheel drive. It has a maximum output of 148 horsepower at 3,400 RPM and a maximum torque of 400 Newton meter at 1,600 RPM. Euro 4 compliant, 80 liters yung fuel capacity and estimated fuel consumption is 10.30 km per liter. In terms of suspension, It has a double wishbone suspension with coil spring and stabilizer bar sa front, and rigid axle with lip spring specifically designed to handle heavy loads and demanding work condition dito naman sa likod. In terms of the dimension, it has 5,365 mm for the length, 1,855 mm for the width, and 1,815 mm for the height. The wheelbase is 3,085 mm. The deck length is 1,525 mm. The deck width is 1,645 mm. And the deck height is 480 millimeters. Payload capacity is 1,050 kilograms. Turning circle is 13 meters and a ground clearance of 279 mm. So dito tayo sa cabin, predominantly black and gray interior trim with silver accents for a clean and functional appearance. Emphasis on durability and ease of maintenance, making it suitable for both family use and commercial applications. Good visibility from the driver's seat due to the elevated setting position, typical for pickup trucks. So dito tayo sa side profile or sidings, naka-fabric, black yung color. Then black piano finish yung housing dito. And fully automatic naman yung mga windows, yung lock unlock, yung control ng side mirrors or adjustments. So may chrome accent sa handle, and then dito may silver din na accent sa side profile. Dito sa baba may cup holder, medyo malaki yung cup holder, and then may side step seal embedded na dito. So manual lang yung adjustment ng upuan, both sa driver and passenger. Dito may cup holder, standard na size for the cup holder. Yung aircon vent for the driver side, yung grab handle. Pasok tayo. So dito sa steering wheel guys, makikita natin naka-leather wrap with white stitching, and then merong mga controls connected sa infotainment. So of course, for this G variant, naka push start button. Ayan, so naka-leather, white stitching. Dito sa dashboard, hard plastic. So wala namang pinagbago dito for the other variants for the Hilux. So meron pa ring storage for the drinks. So in terms of infotainment, it has 8-inch touchscreen with 6 speakers capable of AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So yung grab handle for the passenger side, we also have here the overhead grab handle. May vanity mirror for the passenger. Of course, may ilaw yan na naka-halogen. Yung sunglasses holder. So, naka-halogen pa po yung mga lights dito guys. Hindi lang natin mapailaw kasi disengage yung battery. So, walang vanity mirror dito sa driver side. Yung center mirror. So, dito sa baba, yung control ng AC. This is dual zone automatic climate control. So, dito may socket. Dalawang socket. Then, meron ding traction control and USB port. So, dito lagay ng gamit, dalawang cup holders, and then the 80 shifter panel, naka matte black finish. Parang may accent din dito, magaspang na accent. So, the echo and the power mode buttons. So, lagay ng coins or other na mga belonging. So, yung handbrake, manual. So, dito sa center console, naka-fabric with white stitching. Medyo malaki din yung storage dito. So, mapapansin natin guys, merong makikitang center console doon sa second row. So, pasok tayo guys dito sa likod for the second row. It has 3-seat bench configuration with seating capacity for 3 passengers. Fabric upholstery that matches the front seat and is designed for durability and easy maintenance. 3 adjustable headrest for improved passenger comfort and safety. So, dito sa side profile, the same look and feel sa front door. Meron din siyang side step seal dito sa likod. So, the good thing for this pickup truck is meron siyang grab handle dito. Sana din meron din dito sa Fortuner. So, for the dashboard perspective, it emphasizes practicality and ergonomics rather than excessive complexity. The controls are clearly labeled and intuitively arranged, making the Hilux G easy to operate whether on the city road or off-road terrain. So, dito sa likod, meron tayong nakikita ditong hook. It can carry maximum 4 kilograms. And then, of course, yung pocket. And then, in terms of the legroom space, okay din naman. Medyo maluwag din. And standard yung seating arrangement dito sa likod. So, yung grab handle, same din dito sa other side. And of course, yung nakikita nating center console na may dalawang cup holders. Naka-fabric pa din. And then yung ilaw guys, naka-halogen. So akala ko naka-disengage yung battery. Umiilaw pala dito. So hindi lang natin na i-press kanina. So yung cabin lights, naka-halogen lang for this G variant. So in terms of safety, it has a driver's airbag, front passenger's airbag, and the knee airbag. It has also the auto brake system, the electronic brake distribution, the anti-lock brake system or the ABS with EBD or the electronic brake force distribution, immobilizer, security alarm, stability control, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, and ISOFIX. So by the way, the Toyota Hilux was able to get a 5-star rating on the ASEAN NCAP. It scored well when it came to adult occupant protection, when it came to frontal impact, side impact, and head protection technology. So, in terms of security and safety guys, hindi tayo mabibitin for this Hilux G. So, meron din tayo nakikitang dalawang hook dito sa second row. Alright? So, I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung review natin and nakita ninyo yung gusto nyo makita for this 2026 Toyota Hilux G variant. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, DMB Car Reviews. Pakihit nila din yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga next upload natin. Bye and God bless everyone!